Okay, children, so let's see the first exercise. Exercise number 1, write true or false. The first question, all the creations of God, human beings, animals and plants are similar. Is it true or false? So its answer is false. With a strong willpower and determination, one can control one's destiny. Answer is true. Difficulties and obstacles in life help us discover the potential within us. Answer is true. A person with all the money and possessions always leads a happy life. That's a false. If you fail to achieve success, you can never succeed. Answer is true. Let's go to the second exercise. Exercise is filling the blanks. The first question, every person is dash in his personality, physique and mental makeup. Answer is every person is unique. The obstacle should be accepted as dash in life. It should be accepted as challenges. When you react dash, you can be successful. So when you react positively. When you fail to accomplish any work, don't dash anyone. It means don't blame anyone. No one is perfect except God. So that is the filling the blanks. Now let's see the answer the questions. We'll just discuss the answers. Only the paragraph and the page number I'll tell you. Just read and make the answers of your own. The first question is, every individual is unique. Give reasons to support your answer. So let's take the page number 8. In that you have the first paragraph. See, every individual on earth is unique. So that full paragraph you have to write it as the answer for the first question. Let's go to the second question. Question number 2. What were the difficulties faced by Stephen William Hawkins? So I have told you to read the example of Stephen William Hawkins. So again it's there in the same page number 8. See the paragraph. Stephen William Hawkins, a legendary figure today, was attacked. So just read that, make it short and write the answers. Go to the third question. A strong willpower and determination can do wonders in life. Give examples from the lesson to support your answer. So for that we have the story of that 2 frogs, how they became success in spite of having so much difficulties to achieve the success. So read that story and make it short and write the answers. And the last question, failures are a stepping stone to success. How did Thomas Alva Edison prove it? So we have the example there in the page number 10. We have this Thomas Alva Edison, a great inventor, failed thousands of times. So read that paragraph and write the answer. So that is all about the exercises of lesson 2, moral science of class 8. The lesson name is Be what you are. So don't try to imitate others, but try to be you. See that all of us are unique. So God has created in His own image and likeness. So let us try to be what we are. So wish you all the best. I hope all of you understood the lesson. Just write the exercises in your book and see that you finish the exercises and plus all the question answers. So all the best. Have a good day. God bless you all.